Hey friends, welcome back to another important video. So today in this video, I'm gonna explain you about the fuse in electrical. So what is a fuse and what are the different kind of fuses which are used in the industries and also for household purpose. And also I'm gonna talk about the principle of fuses. That means a working principle of fuses. So let's start the video without wasting much time. A fuse is a safety device that protects the electrical circuit from excessive amount of current flow by melting and breaking the circuit when an overcurrent or overload in the system will occur. So after getting overload or overcurrent in the system, the circuit will get melt and open it quickly. So this is the mechanism of a fuse. Like this, the fuse works. Fuses are very widely used in residential wiring, commercial buildings, and in industrial control panel and power distribution systems, medical equipments. So here we conclude that a fuse is used to open the circuit after getting the overcurrent in the system. Okay, so this is the basic concept of fuse. If you have any query regarding the fuse, then you can ask me in the comment section so that I can clarify the question.